Hi, I'm Naresh from Mississauga, Ontario, and today I'll be reviewing the GermGuardian 4-in-1 Air Purifier with UVC. This is the device itself, it's fairly light. I tested it by running it for a few days in my living room, and I did notice a bit less dust. I ran it on the different settings, so you've got timer function, you've got 3 different fan speeds, and on and off, and this is for the UV lights control. It's fairly easy to service. There's just a flip, the cover comes off, and then this is a charcoal filter that can very easily be replaced. The device itself, I find on the higher speeds it can be a bit noisy. So this, just to give you an example, that's on 3, 2 and 1. But I had it running on 1 most of the time, and yeah, I noticed a bit of an improvement in the amount of dust in the air. And would I recommend it? Yes, I would. Thanks. I would recommend the GermGuardian 4-in-1 Air Purifier with UVC.